Friends, welcome back to channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can install PrimeOS on a simple USB drive and turn it into a powerful portable operating system. We're not just creating a normal bootable USB, this will be a persistent USB drive. Now what does that mean? A persistent USB allows you to save all your apps, files and settings directly on the USB, so every time you boot PrimeOS from that USB, all your changes will still be there. Means you install own customized Android desktop in your USB, plugging it into any computer and having all your apps and data ready to go. But before we get started, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. It really motivates me to bring more helpful videos for you. First, open your browser and search for PrimeOS. Open first website. Once you're on the website, go to Devices and select x86. In the version section, choose the latest one. Under Type, make sure to select ISO. After that, click on Download. You'll be redirected to a new page. Once the timer finishes, your ISO file will start downloading. Next, you'll need the Rufus software. Search Rufus on browser and visit its official website. Scroll down to the Download section and choose the latest version. Once you downloaded both files, open the Rufus. After opening Rufus, insert your USB drive. Rufus will automatically detect it. Then the Click Select option, choose the ISO file you downloaded. Now you'll need to set the persistent partition size. This is where your applications will be saved. I'll set it to 10 GB. Next, select the partition scheme. You'll see two options, MBR and GPT. This depends on your system's partition type. To check your system's partition scheme, search for system information. In my case, my BIOS mode is Legacy, so I will select MBR. If your BIOS mode is UEFI, then choose GPT. Now click on Start. You'll get a warning message, just click OK. Now Rufus will start creating your bootable persistent USB. This process will take some time, so wait until it finished. Once the USB is ready, it's time to test it. Close Rufus and restart your computer. Once PC restarts, then press your system's boot key. This varies by your computer manufacturer. See yours from the chart on screen. From the boot menu, select your USB drive. After selecting it, you'll see different options. From here, you can either install PrimeOS permanently or run it live. For now, let's run it live. Just press Enter. Your system will now boot into PrimeOS. Now follow all steps. Finally, the PrimeOS desktop will appear, with full Google Play Store support. So friends, if you found this video helpful, please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.